guys, so welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Kushi and I was about to go to bed. So yes, today is basically day 3 of my 7-day speaking challenge, English speaking challenge. So in today's video, I have actually came prepared, not like the last video because I was not prepared for it, and this is something that is very new to me. So I was not ready that if I should talk on something random topic, since I was not prepared yesterday. So I just talk randomly about how my day actually went. But today, I have decided that instead of just talking randomly, why not to come up with something that would actually help you guys to know me better along the way. And I would also like make sure that I'm speaking and I'm just discussing things with you in English only. Okay, so today's topic that we are going to get discussed in today's video is something or that one thing that actually I used to scare a lot. Okay, so I'm really scared of traveling alone and going to a very unfamiliar places alone by myself, because I don't know, it's just something, I don't know the reason behind it. But always whenever I think to travel alone, whenever I think to go to the places that are very unfamiliar to me, I always have this thought that what would happen if I get lost. So yeah, the biggest reason I think that stops me traveling alone is the thought that what if I might get lost? What if I won't reach to the place that I actually want to? What if I won't able to make to that event? What if I won't able to find that right bus or right metro which I need to board in order to reach that destination? And what if I will not make, or I will not make back to home? Because I think this never ever happened with me, and for that reason only, because of this insecurity and this overthinking, this made me so nervous every time whenever I even given it a thought to travel alone to unfamiliar situations, go alone by myself. I have this so much overthinking that on that particular thing, and for that reason only, if I would travel alone, if I would have to go somewhere, I might have my parents with me, I might have my siblings with me, or I might have someone with me, be it younger, be it elder one. Because I think like I just to some extent I genuinely need that moral support. Even if I would get lost, I might have like this person with me, so this person might protect me, because either be they are younger than me or they are elder than me. Like, can you see the irony? Because I am actually taking with me someone who is younger than me, that means all accountability I have to take for that person, and to make sure that we both come home safely, right? But I don't know what is happening. But yeah, also I know this, that I cannot let this fear stop me from experiencing new things, so I'm working on that. So yeah, this was something I genuinely want to talk about with you all. So yeah, I think with this, my today's or day 3 challenge of speaking English is done. And also, before ending this video, I just want to say that if something is there actually scares you, I just want you to say, just work on it, just get out of that, and just face your fear the most and take one step at a time. I think you will overcome that fear too. So yeah, I hope you guys have enjoyed day 3 of my English speaking. Please let me know in the comment section where you guys can actually see me making mistakes and what all sort of things I could improve from my side. Baki, I am genuinely trying level best from my side, that I will improve on the daily basis and work on all the weaknesses that I've come up across from my own self introspections and from others' feedbacks too. So yeah, this was a good night, and yeah, meet you soon tomorrow. So bye. Take care.